Alright class, we're on lesson 47. It's Tuesday. We got Power Up F. Let's start with our name. Multiplying, let's go across. 7 times 9 is 63. 4 times 4 is 16. 2 times 5 is 10. 6 times 9 is 54. 5 times 6 is 30. 3 times 8 is 24. 4 times 9 is 36. 2 times 3 is 6. 7 times 8 is 56. 3 times 5 is 15. 5 times 9 is 45. 3 times 4 is 12. 8 times 9 is 72. 2 times 2 is 4. 10 times 10 is 100. 4 times 6 is 24. 6 times 7 is 42. 2 times 8 is 16. 7 times 7 is 49. 8 times 0 is 0. 8 times 8 is 64. 2 times 7 is 14. 3 times 6 is 18. 5 times 8 is 40. 4 times 7 is 28. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 9 is 81. 5 times 7 is 35. 2 times 9 is 18. 7 times 1 is 7. 4 times 5 is 20. 6 times 8 is 48. 2 times 4 is 8. 0 times 0 is 0. 3 times 7 is 21. 4 times 8 is 32. 2 times 6 is 12. 5 times 5 is 25. 3 times 9 is 27. 6 times 6 is 36. Alright, remember, show all of your work on the left here for our problems. The Power Up today is on page 294. 294. A score is 20. How many is 2 score, 3 score, 4 score? President Lincoln said something famous one about 4 score years ago, and he's saying 4 groups of 20. It's kind of like 4 dozen is 4 groups of 12, 4 score. So let's go ahead and take care of this. How many is 2 score? So 2 times 20 gives you 40. And 3 score, 20 times 3 is 60. It's like $20 bills. 20, 40, 60, and 4 score would be 80. B says, round 757 to the nearest 10. Now be careful you don't round to the nearest 100. 757 to the nearest 10. Just pretend the first 7's not there. Round 57. Excuse me. Underline 5 and look back at the 7. 1 through 4. I don't get no more. 5 through 9. Go up. It's a 7. So it tells the 5, go up to a 6. The 7 turns into a 0. And then bring down the 7. And then you're going to subtract 400. And we get 360. Alright, C says, number says 1.5 plus a half. Box, 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 box. 1.5 plus a half. Fractions over fractions. Whole numbers over whole. If I have a half a cookie plus a half a cookie, I have a whole cookie. Add the numerators, keep the denominators. 2 over 2 actually equals 1. 1 plus 1 equals 2. My answer is 2. 1.5 plus 1.5 is 2. D says 1.5 minus a half. I had a half a cookie. I ate it. I got nothing left there. Bring down my 1. And my answer would be 1. E, how much money is half of $3? When we take half of something, we divide it by 2. So let's write this down with $3.00. 2 goes into 3 1 times. 1 times 2 is 2. Subtract, I get 1. Bring down the 0. 2 goes into 10 5 times. 5 times 10 is 0. 2 goes into 0 0 times. Half of $3 is $1.50. F. Aeolia says she has 25% of $4 in her pocket. How much money does she have? When I say 25%, you say 1/4 of $4. Today I'm going to teach you a different way of doing this problem. Until then, divide by the bottom number, multiply by the top. $4 divided by 4 equals $1. G. An octopus, octagon 8, has how many more sides than a hexagon? A hexagon has 6. The X always reminds me there's a X in 6 and X in hexagon. So 8 minus 6 equals 2. 2 what? 2 sides. And then the last one down at the bottom. 9 times 8 equals 72. Minus 2 equals 70. Divided by 2 equals 35. Whoa, Mr. Bauer, you did that in your head. We better do that over here. How many times does 2 go into 7? 3 times. 3 times 2 is 6. Subtracting, I get 1. And 2 goes into 10 5 times. We're at 35 plus 1 equals 36. 36 divided by 4 equals 9. 9 plus 1 equals 10. And 10 divided by 2 equals 5. Alright. Problem solving. It says choose an appropriate problem solving strategy to solve this problem, gyro, or a division problem, and then erase the 2-digit dividend. He gave it to Janaea as a problem solving exercise. Copy gyro's division problem and find the missing digits. Nice. This one was too easy. We had missing numbers in addition, we had missing numbers in subtraction and multiplication. Now we got missing numbers in division. The dividend is going to be the biggest number. So if I got the 2 smaller numbers and I'm missing the bigger number, I'm going to need to not add, so we multiply. 24 times 4. 4 times 4 is 16, carry the 1. And 4 times 2 is 8, plus 1 is 9. Ooh, it's a big number, and it just fits. Let's see. 4, how many times 4 go to 9? 2. 2 times 4 is 8. Subtract, you get 1, bring down the 6. How many times 4 goes? Boom! We got it. 24 is our answer to our problem-solving problem of the day. Alright, today we're going to work on simplifying mixed numbers. We'll learn what the word simplifying means. Divide your paper into 6, and we'll tackle it on our next video.